Good morning, welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be a short update on the whooshing sound that I was mentioning a few videos ago. The short answer is it's gone for now, and I'm very happy about that. And right now I would like to show you what's been going on with the car, why it was making this weird sound. So in order to do that, I have to jump under the car, so see you there. So here we can clearly see what's been happening, why the car was making this weird sound so clearly. There's been corrosion all over the brakes, the drive shaft and the wishbone, and the drive shaft is pretty much stuck here. I've loosened it a little bit, so the wheel is turning again. That's why it isn't making any sounds right now when I'm engine braking. But clearly this has seen better days and definitely needs fixing pretty soon. I have already bought parts for this, and I expect them to arrive on Monday. So the next step is then to make an appointment with a mechanic to sort everything out. Just here, the right side isn't as bad as the left one, but definitely still visible that it needs fixing. So I've ordered a completely new transmission, although I don't need it, a new wishbone, and everything for the back. I've ordered new brakes and so on and so forth. So the entire back of the car will be redone shortly, and hopefully you can see that the underbody of the car itself is in pretty good shape if you think that the car is 26 years old. So there's been Fiat 126Ps with a far worse condition, so I'm glad about that. But this is clearly something that needs fixing immediately, and I will take care of that shortly. So that's everything from under the car, and let's head back out. So as promised, just a short update on what's been happening with the car, why it was making this weird sound. So as I've mentioned, the whooshing sound is gone. New parts are ordered. They will arrive hopefully on Monday. So then I will have to make an appointment with a workshop to have all the parts installed. So the drivability will be a lot better. I will have a better conscience driving the car. So really happy about that. Right now I will only do the rear of the car. I will redo the front as well, maybe later this year or maybe next year, I don't know, because obviously I have my orange car as well that I have to take care of. For that I have ordered new parts as well. They will arrive probably at the same time as the parts for this car, but that's a topic for another video. So as promised, this is a short video, so hit the thumbs up button, leave your comments down below, share it with your friends, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye bye.